Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word gossamer in depth. First, the definition. Gossamer means a fine, filmy substance resembling cobwebs, often used to describe something very light or delicate. Think of it simply as a delicate spiderweb shimmering in the sunlight. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Gossamer traces back to a type of fine filmy cobweb seen in autumn and was first recorded in the 14th century. Over time, it's been used by English speakers to describe anything light and delicate. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use gossamer in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The morning sun illuminated the gossamer strands of the spiderweb, making them shimmer. Correct example 2. She wore a dress made of gossamer fabric that floated in the breeze. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to eat gossamer for breakfast, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using gossamer correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Gossamer means a fine, filmy substance like cobwebs, often used to describe something delicate. It comes from a 14th century word for autumn cobwebs, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with gossamer down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.